Gigabyte GeForce RTX. Let's see. This is Gigabyte graphic card. AORUS GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Master 12G. This is graphic card, and so you can see. Let's check the deep specifications of your graphic card. So this is graphic processing socket GeForce RTX 4070 Ti, and this is core clock 2670 megahertz, reference 2610 megahertz, CUDA core 7680. This is clock speed 21 GB per second. This graphic, and memory size 22 GB, memory type GDDR6X, memory bus 192 bit, card bus PCIe 4.0, and this is monitor display resolutions max 7680 4320, 750-watt power supply require this graphic card, 750 watts, and power converter 6 pin, and output for the monitor display 4 display port, 3 DP port, 1.4A 3 port, and 1 HDMI port, 2.1A HDMI port.